San Diego is known for its beaches, sunny weather, a nice place to vacation with the family and kids, and take a drive in the Gaslamp Quarter. Maybe stop by and have a slider or two. But today, in San Diego, this happened. Hail came down from Santee to downtown San Diego, from downtown San Diego all the way down to the San Ysidro border. In San Diego County, we had snow up in the hills of Julian. Downtown Chula Vista had hail, and the other parts of San Diego had rain. 3 different weathers in one day in sunny Southern California. I don't know about you, but I stayed indoors all day. This is Ed Lopez reporting live, San Diego, in front of my house.